Today I'm making an easy copycat recipe for Taco Bell's quesadilla sauce, which is also known as creamy jalapeno sauce. So of course we have to start with a jalapeno pepper, and to prep that we remove the pith, which is that inner pale membrane area, as well as the seeds. These are actually the parts of a jalapeno that make it hot and spicy. Then we're going to mince it up, and to do that, cut long strips lengthwise, then turn everything and cut it crosswise to make very small pieces. I like to mince it even more after that, so I take a chef's knife and do some more chopping to get it nice and fine. From here then, all you have to do is mix everything together. You start with sour cream, add your jalapeno and some mayo and all of the spices, and simply stir to mix it all together. Once this is mixed, it needs to develop for about an hour, so cover it in plastic wrap and put it in the fridge. After an hour or more, overnight, whatever, just put it in whatever container you want for serving, and it's ready to go. This is fantastic on a quesadilla, of course, also burritos and tacos, but to be perfectly honest, I absolutely love it as a chip dip. So it works really well if you have an appetizer buffet where you're serving salsa, guacamole, and chips. This is another option to dip those chips. I hope you try it, because if you do, you will love it.